So we talked about in the previous problem that if you got 16 wrong, you probably either applied the formula wrong or you didn't get the previous question correct. So as a review, you were supposed to get y is equal to 800 times 1/2 to the power of t over 50 as your answer. And if you didn't get that, be sure to watch a previous video I had on question 15. And now all this is asking is, what would be remaining after 200 years? This one's very simple. All you gotta do is just plug that in to that t. So you have 800 times 1/2 to the power of 200 divided by 50. This will get us y is equal to 800 times 1/2 to the power of 4. This is also the same thing as 800 times 1 to this 1 over 16. And this will get us 50.